Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ariel Rahman and my friend
Muhammad Rafiki.
we are students from the Informatic Engineering Study Program at the Islamic University of Madura. This video was made to fulfill our requirement in conducting the final semester exam. In order to shorten the time, we will do a presentation entitled Analytical Exposition. Okay, strike into chapter 1. Definition of analytical exposition. An analytical exposition is a type of the text that aims to persuade the reader by presenting arguments supported by evidence and logical reasoning. It is commonly used in academic writing, journalism, and public speaking to explain and analyze a particular issue, idea, or phenomenon. Standard analytical exposition text is a text which discusses about something that happened in society. The writer gives their opinion about the phenomenon that will be discussed. This text can take the form of essay, text box, or manual and content description. Okay, strike into chapter 2. Purpose of analytical exposition. The purpose of analytical exposition is to present a well-reasoned argument to a specific topic in order to persuade the reader to adopt a particular viewpoint or to understand an issue more deeply. Okay, strike into chapter 3. The main purpose of an analytical exposition. To persuade the primary goal is to convince the reader of the validity of the writer's position by presenting logical argument and supporting evidence. The writer aims to persuade the reader to agree with their thesis. B. To inform. An analytical exposition also serves to inform the reader about a specific issue, idea, or phenomenon. It provides detail. C. To analyze. The text breaks down complex ideas or issues into small parts, examining each part in detail. This helps in presenting a thorough analysis that supports the overall argument. D. To evaluate. An analytical exposition often evaluates different aspects of an issue, comparing various viewpoints or assessing the impact the certain action or policies. This evaluation helps in building a strong case for the writer position. E. To clarify. The exposition aims to clarify misunderstandings or misconception about a topic by presenting clear and logical arguments supported by evidence. Okay, strike into chapter 4. Tips for writing an analytical exposition for college students. Focus on relevant issues. Choose topics that are pertinent to the experience and interest of college students. B. Use clear and choice language. Avoid jargon and complex language to ensure your argument are easily understood. C. Incorporate real-life example. Use example and case studies that resonate with college students to illustrate your point effectively. D. Engage the reader. Start with a compelling introduction and maintain a logical flow throughout the text to keep the reader engaged. Okay, this presentation will be continued by my friend Muhammad Rafiki.
Okay, strike into chapter 5. Generating structure of analytical exposition. And introduction. This statement are clear statement of the writer position exposition of point of view on the topic. Preview of argument A. Brief overview of the main argument and will be discussed in the body. Stand the introduction, the first argument supporting the thesis. Calculation start this real fish the reader position in light of the argument presented. Summary of Augustus briefly summarize the main point discussed in the body. Closing statement of a final trouble of call to action, leaving a lasting impression on the reader. Okay, chapter 6. Example of analytical exposition. Introduction. The rapid advancement of technology has revolutionized the education sector. Per quality with the rise of online learning offers number rows benefits for college students, including flexibility, accessibility, and the opportunity to develop assistive digital skill. Body flexibility. One of the most significant advantages of online learning is this flexibility. College students often juggle various responsibilities such as part-time jobs, internship, and in curricular activities. Okay, next, conclusion. In conclusion, online learning offers significant benefits for college students, including flexibility, accessibility, and the development of digital skills. As technology continues to evolve, the integration of online learning into higher education will likely increase. Professors students will opportunities to achieve their academic and career goals. Embracing online learning can help students become more adaptable, resourceful, and prepared for the demand of the modern workforce. Okay, next, chapter 9. Positive and negative impact. Positive impact: social media, comment, global fostering, communicating, and collaborating. Negative impact: it can lead to increased levels of anxiety, depression, and misinformation among users. Okay, last chapter. Conclusion. Analytical expression in a important form of reading. I meet a persuading an audience by presenting logical argument and clear reasoning. B. Following in structure and using persuasive this when you can ability convince other of your point of view.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. I am Ariel Rahman and my friend.
Vicky.
I apologize if there are many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.